Hello class and welcome to Mac 103 Communications 1. My name is Miss Christina Campos and I will be your instructor this mod. As you can see, this is a new interface that Moodle has, and I wanted to go over a few things before we got started into the class. And I wanted to talk about a few things that are very important to keep up with this class. Firstly, I'd like to say that this is my instructor's announcements there. I usually post any announcements that I feel are important for that week. I do have a welcome announcement there for students to read first day of class, and that's important for you to keep up with that. I just talk about my contact information here. I talk about the importance of going in and shaking hands with your fellow students and those types of things. Always important to keep up with the announcements because there may be some assignment announcements there and things like that. As you're going into your class daily, it's important to look at that. This is your course syllabus. If you do have access to a printer, I'd highly recommend you print. If not, you can go into that periodically throughout your class. And this is your shake hands and meet your instructor and yourself. There will be some posts in there from me, and I would highly recommend, as I stated in your announcements, that you go in and shake hands with each other. This is a raise your hand for help. Please feel free to add any comments into this thread if you have any questions. If you have a question that you'd like to email me, that'll be absolutely fine. I check my emails pretty much daily. I have it on my phone, so just reach out to me at any time. These are additional resources that you will be using in this class. I highly recommend you go through those. And then this is a very important tool for this class. It's a checklist. This checklist actually goes right into the whole description of the course there, as you can see. And it'll give you some more information as far as what's due, when it's due, and things like that. Just so you can kind of keep track of what you're doing in your class. Further down, it does give you the descriptions of the week. So starting week 1, we've got October 2nd through the 8th. I would highly recommend to click each of these. These are resources for you for this actual week, first week of the month. Discussions. Discussion forums are a big deal because you need to come into the discussions, and please feel free to ask any questions as you'd like. Although it does give you a step-by-step here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it does give you the requirements here, which is 1 main post, 5 to 8 sentences, and 3 responsive posts, 3 to 5 sentences. Now, please keep in mind that your grade does reflect on discussions, and discussions are a big part of your grade. So it's important to keep up with that as often as possible. If you have questions, again, feel free to reach out to me. I am here for you. Please keep track of your assignments, keep track of the things you're doing, keep track of what's going on in the class. Periodically look out for the announcements from me. I like to post different types of resources as far as writing resources, what steps we are in writing our paper, things like that. At any time, though, feel free to reach out to me. I am here for you. Good luck this mod, and I look forward to working with each and every one of you. Thank you.